And the backlash is still coming fast and furious for officials, including DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos, for taking photos with a smiling and happy Alice Guo. The pictures even made headlines abroad. Maricel Halili with that story.
These pictures of Alice Guo during her deportation from Indonesia has been blowing up social media. These photos showing a smiling Guo with NBI and Bureau of Immigration agents, and another one with Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos and PNP Chief Romel Marbil drew much flack from social media users and lawmakers alike.
Isang paalala rin sa ating mga kasamahan sa gobyerno. Hindi dapat ginagawang social event ang pag-aresto sa isang puganteng sangkot sa patong-patong na kaso ng human trafficking, money laundering, fake identity at gross misconduct.
It even made foreign headlines, like this story from the BBC titled Fury, as Filipino officials pose with China's spy mayor. Secretary Benhur Abalos explained it this way.
So we looked at the camera, tumingin kami. Siyempre, pag tingin ng ganyan, di ba naman ako anong ginagawa nito, ay nagpapakyut pala, di ba? But if we're going to look at it, I was looking straight at the camera.
As for the NBI and immigration personnel, the DOJ has asked them to explain their photo with Guo.
It was inappropriate to post those pictures, but it was a moment that was, I guess, that we could be proud of. But again, the job is not yet done. The secretary was also quite frustrated na ito po yung naging focus ng operation.
For his part, NBI Director Jimmy Santiago apologized on behalf of the organization.
Humihingi ako ng paumanhin, command responsibility, no? Tinatanggap ko po at yung aking mga tao naman, nire-reprimand ko rin sila.
Aside from the photos, snippets of this conversation between Secretary Abalos and Guo also made the rounds. Guo was heard telling Abalos that they have met before.
Hi, Sir. Alice. Ikaw pala si Alice.
Nakita pa tayo before.
Saan?
Tarlac po, Sir.
Ikaw talaga.
Sir, patulong. May dekret po kasi.
At an event today, President Bongbong Marcos brushed off anger over the photos of officials smiling with Alice.
That is part of the new culture now na nagpapakuhalaga ng kahit ano. Kasi po-post nila, tignan mo, nakasama ako dito sa team na nag-aresto sa ganyan-ganyan. That's, ang tawag natin sa Pilipinas, we are the selfie capital of the world, di ba? Hindi nag-selfie, hindi mo naman pigilan ng tao na ngumiti.
Still, the president had this message to Guo.
Will not help her at all to be evasive. Mas bibigat ang magiging problema niya kung hindi siya magsabi ng totoo. The few hundred meters away from my own office, na hindi ko alam yung nangyayari doon, illegal na ganitong kalaki na operation. Kaya sana maipaliwanag niya kung bakit hindi niya alam.
For News 5, Maricel Halili, We Are One News.